All right, forest friends, today we're gonna take to the skies with this beauty right here. Look at this little flying machine, 4 rotors, HD camera, and it's lighter than a pine cone. Got to make sure everything's synced up before we send this thing into the wild. Whoa, easy there, little guy. I'm still figuring out these controls. Now we're talking. Look at that thing go. I can see the whole valley from up there. Oh no, signal lost. Where did it go? There you are, you little escape artist.
Next time we're staying closer to home base.
Well, forest friends, that was quite the adventure. I think I'll practice in the clearing a few more times before going for the treetops again.